Plant FAQs. Ctenanthe amagris. Ctenanthe amagris, unveiling the beauty of the never-never plant. Hi, Furvu here. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of the Ctenanthe amagris, a stunning prayer plant that will add a touch of the tropics to your indoor space. This easy-care beauty boasts vibrant foliage and a unique nighttime habit, making it a popular choice for plant enthusiasts. See more 15 species and genus Ctenanthe at monsterholic.com. What is a Ctenanthe amagris? The Ctenanthe amagris, also known as the never-never plant or fishbone plant, is a captivating member of the Marantaceae family. It originates from the lush rainforests of Brazil, where it thrives under the dappled light of the forest canopy. This tropical heritage translates into stunning foliage that will add a touch of exotic elegance to your home. Those leaves deserve their own spotlight. The Ctenanthe amagris is all about the leaves. Imagine pale green, oval-shaped canvases splashed with bold, dark green, curving stripes. The veins themselves become dramatic design elements, adding depth and texture. But the magic doesn't stop there. Flip the leaf over, and you're greeted by a mesmerizing deep purple underside. These contrasting colors create a truly captivating visual experience. A never-ending dance, the nighttime magic. One of the most endearing characteristics of the Ctenanthe amagris is its nyctinastic movement. This fancy term simply means the leaves rise upwards at night, resembling praying hands, hence the common name prayer plant. This movement is thought to be an adaptation to conserve moisture and regulate temperature in their natural environment. Watching your Ctenanthe amagris perform this nightly ritual adds a touch of whimsy to your home. Ctenanthe amagris versus Calathea. Are they twins? Ctenanthe amagris is often mistaken for its close relative, the Calathea. Both belong to the Marantaceae family and share similar prayer plant behaviors. However, there are subtle differences. Ctenanthe leaves tend to be larger and have more prominent, lance-shaped stripes along the veins. Calathea leaves, on the other hand, can have a wider variety of patterns and colors. How to care for Ctenanthe amagris? The good news is, the Ctenanthe amagris is a relatively low-maintenance houseplant. Here's what you need to know to keep yours thriving. Light. Think dappled sunlight or bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity. As a rainforest native, the Ctenanthe amagris enjoys high humidity. Grouping it with other plants or using a humidifier can help create a more comfortable environment. Temperature. Aim for a consistent temperature range between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Troubleshooting common issues. Brown leaf tips. This can be a sign of underwatering or low humidity. Increase watering frequency or use a humidifier. Curling leaves. This could be due to excessive sunlight or underwatering. Adjust light exposure and watering routine accordingly. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can be occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with neem oil or insecticidal soap. By following these simple guidelines, you can ensure your Ctenanthe amagris thrives for years to come. Beyond the basics, creating a thriving Ctenanthe amagris oasis. For the plant enthusiast looking to elevate their Ctenanthe amagris experience, here are some additional tips. Fertilize. During the growing season, spring and summer, a light application of balanced fertilizer once a month can give your plant a boost. Repotting. As your Ctenanthe amagris matures, it may need to be repotted into a larger container. Look for signs of rootboundness, such as roots pushing through the drainage holes. Propagation. Feeling adventurous? You can propagate your Ctenanthe amagris by division. Simply separate healthy clumps of the plant with roots attached and pot them individually. With a little care and attention, your Ctenanthe amagris will reward you with stunning foliage and a touch of rainforest magic in your home. So why not bring a piece of the tropics indoors and experience the beauty of this captivating plant yourself?